Hi guys, welcome on my channel Right Info. In this video I will tell you the right answer of Amazon daily quiz. So before starting this, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video updates. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So first question is, which former RBI governor is the author of the recently published book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? Answer is Arjit Patel. And the second question is, Gagandeep Kang is the first Indian woman scientist to be selected as a fellow of which organization? Answer is Royal Society of London. And the third question is, Zoonosis Day is held every year on July 6 to commemorate the scientific achievement of which scientist? Answer is third, Louis Pasteur. Fourth question is, Reels is a new video feature launched by which popular app? Answer is Instagram. And the last question is, ISRO is set to launch Amazonia 1 an Earth observation satellite developed by which country? Answer is Brazil. So guys, before ending this video, please like, comment and share, and thanks for watching.